The new channel. The new channel. Hashtag TNC Now.
The views, opinions, and insights expressed in the following shows are those of the host, producers, guests, and viewers. They do not necessarily reflect the position of the channel. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hello and good evening, everybody. All right. And we are now live here at TNC. I would like to thank all those I invited to watch my stream, my special guesting today. And special thank you to the TNC channel for giving me this opportunity to share my talent and my to share my talents with all of you today. So, kamusta ang lahat? Meron na ba tayong live viewers? Ayan. Okay. Baka maya-maya meron pa yan. Kasi actually, I was also, I was in the process of sharing the live link earlier. Medyo marami akong kailangang i-share na live na link na group chat. Sorry naman, guys. Alright. Pero sige, while we are waiting for people to come in and tune into our stream, okay, once again, welcome. Okay. So, papakilala ko pala muna yung sarili ko, no? So, you might be wondering why I'm looking like this. So, my name is Rose Linco. Well, you can call me Rose. Rose is my nickname. And as you can see, siguro nakita niyo yung title ng stream today, I am a cosplayer violinist. Well, violin, I've been doing it for quite some time. I've been playing the violin for quite a while now. Pero yung cosplay actually, totoo lang guys, I'm still a bit of a newbie when it comes to cosplay. So bear with me. So I put on this outfit for today. Sana nagustuhan nyo. Sabi ng mga friends ko kanina, I showed them my OOTD for today. Ang cute-cute ko daw. Tapos tinanong ako, sino ba kina-cosplay mo? Actually, guys, wala akong character in mind specifically. I just, put on this outfit, put this together just to be looking cute. All right? So siguro without further ado, I will be starting with my first song for tonight. Wag kayo mahihiya, no? Send in your comments, your reactions, suggestions, violent reactions, ganon. Or sana naman walang violent reactions, no? Kasi kawawa naman ako pag biglang may violent reaction dyan. Okay. Sige, I'll just continue to share the live. At dami ko kasing group chat, guys. Pasensya. All right. So for my first piece, so for tonight pala, you might be wondering what is in store, no? Aside from the fact that naghanda ako ng itong cosplay ko today, you might be wondering what I will be performing for you guys tonight. All right. Syempre, ano tayo? Let's start with konting pampagising muna, no? So let's start off. Can I see in the comments? Baka naman makakako may ano dito. Meron po ba ditong army? Itaas ang kanang paa. De joke lang. Kanang paa talaga. Hindi. Comment naman kayo guys, magparamdam kayo. May BTS army po ba tayo sa viewers natin? Magparamdam naman kayo guys. Because our first song tonight is actually a song from BTS. Yes, army ako. Woo! Yes, pinangalandakan ko talagang army ako. Sakto pa purple yung hair ko ngayon. So for our first song para magising tayong lahat, okay, I hope you like this and enjoy. Ayan, thank you. Alright, sana ay nagustuhan ninyo yun. Wait lang, may Alright, siya. That song was dedicated to all my fellow army. Shout out tayo sa mga ka-army ko dyan, sa mga friendships ko. From, wait, mga nagpapa-shout out. Ayan. From, sorry for the name. Army Kaldagan Facebook chat. Andiyan ba kayo? Kim Soo-hyun Multi Fans Club. Andiyan ba kayo? Paramdam naman kayo. So, shout out sa inyo guys. And I hope you enjoyed that wonderful and very, very energizing song coming from the one, the only BTS. Yeah. Okay. Ayan. So, I'm not sure, no, hindi ako masyado nakatingin kanina sa stream while I was performing. But tonight, sana po supportahan ninyo ako. Later, if a flash sa screen from time to time yung aking GCash number. So kung talagang nagustuhan ninyo ang aking performance for tonight, send some love. Ayan, send tokens via GCash. Here's my number on the screen. Feel free. Any amount po will do. And then, what's next? Sige, magpa-plug lang pala ako before I move on to my next song. So actually, mostly for tonight, ang aking repertoire na hinanda ay mostly mga K-pop, BTS, and OSTs, soundtracks from various Korean dramas. Pero bago tayo mag-proceed sa ating second song, I would just like to plug and promote. All right. My Facebook page, actually, because I'm also open for event bookings. Okay, let me just type it in the chat para baka sakaling ihabol, ma-flash sa ating screen. All right. I'm actually part of a group called TCM Musicians or Troy Cadenza Musico. So you can hire me, you can book me as a solo violinist. But for your events such as parties, weddings, debut, you could also book my string quartet or my acoustic band or full band. So it depends, of course, on your musical preferences. You could send us a message on my you could send a message on my Facebook page. That is Troy Cadenza Musico. On Facebook, we mostly perform at weddings, but I am also very much open to playing at other events. Yes. Okay. Kung gusto niyo ako mag-perform na naka-cosplay, okay lang, okay na okay sa akin yon. All right. Okay na okay. Okay na okay sa akin yon. Okay? Thank you, thank you. So about my cosplaying, yeah, medyo bago lang ako sa cosplay. Actually, the first convention na na-attendan ko was just last month in Cosplay Mania held at SMX Manila. Doon yun sa may MOA. Okay, so ang kinosplay ko noon actually was Kaori Miyazono from Your Lie in April. Kasi obviously, sa mga hindi nakakaalam kung sino yung character na yon, anime po yung Your Lie in April. Yung character na yon nagva-violin. So, that was my first ever cosplay. And do catch me because I'm also planning to appear in other cosplay conventions. Most likely next week, a-attend po ako sa Ozine Anime Fair to be held at Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. That would be next weekend, November 12 and 13. Secret muna kung sino yung cosplay ko, no? Para ma-surprise kayo, no? And I'm also planning, kung may time, I'm also there, the week after that, meron din yatang cosplay parade in Venice Grand Mall in McKinley Hill, Taguig. And sometime in December, meron pa yung Cosplay Matsuri, December 28 to 30. Most likely, I will also be attending. So, if you have a chance to catch me, baka makita tayo doon, pakilala kayo, ay, napanood ko kayo sa TNC, and I will gladly be giving you my cost card. Yes. My calling card. So, baka sa mga viewers, before I proceed to my second song for tonight, baka kako yung mga ka-cosplay ko dyan, yung mga kamuts ko dyan, nandyan ba? Oo. Baka may nanonood, magparamdam naman kayo. Hi, guys. Oh, thank you so much, Catherine. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for tuning in to my guesting for my stream tonight. So ayan, so mukhang may nagparamdam na akong cosplay mood. Nakakatuwa naman. So sana I hope to be able to see you real soon sa mga ka-cosplay ko diyan. I hope to see you real soon in the flesh. Okay, so I guess it's time now for my second song. For my second song, this is actually for me medyo ano na siya. Recently sikat siya nire-request sa mga wedding event. Eh ako naman kapag nire-request sa wedding, game naman akong tugtugin because it's also one of my personal favorites na Korean drama OST. So sino ba dito nakapanood ng Goblin? Meron ba? Sa mga viewers natin, are you familiar with the K-drama Goblin? Ako sikat na sikat 'yun. 2016. Oo. So the next piece that I will be performing is from that Korean drama and madalas nire-request na rin to sa mga weddings. So I hope you like my next song. The title is Beautiful from the K-drama Goblin. So I hope you will be able to enjoy this one. Teka lang yung -1 ko pala. Okay. Okay, shoutout naman dyan. Sa mga viewers natin, sino dyan ang kinain na ng K-drama? Taas ang kaliwang paa. Charot. Hindi nga, seryoso ba? Sige, habang hinihintay natin mag-load tong aking ewan ko. O, diba? Pangit ka ba? Hindi yung -1 ko. Ay, oo. Ay, ma'am. Oo nga po. Talaga. No. Talaga namang talagang no, once you start getting into it, ang hirap nang makalabas. Talagang kakainin ka ng K-pop at K-drama. So I hope you enjoy my next piece. Ito na po. Diba? Ang galing ko, hindi nakaayos. Yan. Thank you, thank you. I hope you enjoyed that. Yan. Oh, dedicated yon para sa lahat ng kinainan ng K-drama. Yes. Ah, yes. Mga K-drama. All right. So I hope you enjoyed that. Sige, let's check some more comments before I proceed. All right. Okay. Ayun. Walang palya. Oh, yun pa rin. Okay. So once again, okay, you can send some GCash. Send GCash po, charot. Okay, and sa mga baka meron tayong viewers diyan na malapit ng ikasal, no. Ayan, pwedeng-pwede ko pong tugtugin 'yun sa inyong wedding. In fact, madalas nare-request 'yan as bridal march sa mga weddings na natugtugon ko before. Actually, nung isang month lang meron akong naging bride. As in army talaga. So lahat ng request, well, di naman lahat. Karamihan ng request niya was talaga mga BTS songs. Gusto niya yung bridal march niya, yung ano, yung Microcosmos, 'di ba? Bongga. So yun, so kung kayo ay, malapit ng ikasal, you can send us a message on our Facebook page, okay, for inquiries and booking. Okay. So ayan. So we're now going to proceed to our third song for tonight, no? Baka kako sa ating viewers, sino dito ang Binjin? Binjin? Kilala niyo ba si Binjin? Sino yun? Binjin, yung ano, Hyun Bin, tsaka Son Ye-jin. Ano ba kayo? Guys. Oo, hindi nyo kilala yun. Binjin. Son Ye-jin. Oh, magkakabibi na sila. Cute nila, no? Pakilig. Okay, and because of that, to celebrate that, milestone in their life. Syempre, alam naman natin lahat kung saan sila talaga nag-meet, 'di ba? Nagkasama sila sa K-drama na Crash Landing on You. And the next piece that I am going to perform for you guys is actually an OST from that K-drama. So sana po ay magustuhan ninyo. And ang cute kasi actually may napanood akong video before. Oo, naka-post lang sa Facebook page. Napanood ko parang may nag-video lang saglit dun sa wedding nila. Tinugtog yung song na 'to, nakakatuwa. So sana magustuhan ninyo. So this is Here I Am Again from Crash Landing on You. Enjoy! Daw naman. Yes. Okay, congrats kay Binjin. Oh, super super fan din ako ni Hyun Bin tsaka ni Sonia Jean, no. In fact, kwento ko lang, share ko lang guys before we proceed to our next song. Siguro mga bandang last year 'yon or actually ng early days ng lockdown. Kasi supposedly si Hyun Bin magkakaroon ng fan meeting dito. Pero siyempre, because of the pandemic, naging virtual na lang yung fan meeting niya. So, siyempre yung organizer nung fan meeting, nag-ano na lang siya, naghingi na lang siya ng mga tribute videos for Hyun Bin. So, actually, nagsubmit ako ng video and yun nga, yung video na sinubmit ko, I actually played this piece for him. And mukhang natuwa naman siya. Wala no, fangirl moment. Napansin ako ni Oppa. May ganon. Yes. Alright. So, ayan. Wala na bang dadagdag dyan sa comments? Baka naman, paramdam naman kayo. Okay. So, for my next song, para tayong para tayo nasa vlog. Buti nga hindi ko sinasabi. For today's video, for my next song, ito. Yes, for my next song, this is actually a K-drama na kinosplay ko na yung character, yung bida, yung character dito. So, meron ba ditong nakapanood na ng Hotel de Luna? Actually, if you've checked out my Facebook, naka-public yung post ko. If you check my Facebook, search nyo siya. I actually have some pictures there na kinosplay ko si Jang Manwol from Hotel de Luna. Yes po, yes. Oo, kinosplay ko na siya, nandun sa Facebook ko. Hindi ko lang sinuot ngayon kasi nasa labada yung costume. Sorry naman. Sorry naman po, no? Sa labada. Yeah, to be specific about it, ang kinosplay ko is yung suot niya ang dami niya kasing damit doon, pero lahat ng damit niya doon sa K-drama na yun, sobrang ganda, di ba? No? #goals. Ang kinosplay ko specifically was from the first episode. Yung naka-ano siya, yung naka-violet siya na dress na mahaba. Tapos meron siyang barel. Tapos naka-hat siya na black. O, di ba? Hack! Ayun, check yung Facebook ko, may picture ako doon. Naka-cosplay ako ng Hotel de Luna. So, my next song is actually marami akong hinanda. I mean, yung mga ibang karamihan ng yung marami akong songs na ipe-play ngayon ngayon ay from Hotel de Luna. And this first song from Hotel de Luna that I will play, pasintabi po, medyo, alam niyo naman, spoiler alert, medyo malungkot yung ending nun. So, actually, karamihan ng mga songs from that K-drama, medyo malungkot na nakapakinggan. So, for my next song here is Remember Me from Hotel de Luna. Skinny, Sino yun? Skinny Gusion? Sino yun? Alright. Okay. Yeah, and I also, since the song is entitled Remember Me, kasi yung message ng song, I think, is also very timely. I would like to offer this song. I dedicate this to all the victims of the tragedy that happened just recently in Itaewon District in Seoul, Korea. This song I offer for the victims of that tragedy. So may they all be remembered. So here's Remember Me from Hotel de Luna. Dala, take 2. Hindi siya agad. Ayun. Wait lang ha. Technical difficulty. Ayun, ulit. Take 2. Thank you. Sa ating mga viewers, thank you. Alright, kay paring John Romuel. Sino po si Gusion? Sorry. Iba talaga yung so, thank you po kay Ma'am Esperanza. Salamat po, salamat po. Alright. Sige. So, tawag dito. So, kung if you are having fun and enjoying tonight's show, all right, from time to time, my the GCash number will be flashed on screen. Okay, you can send any amount. Kung gusto niyo lang naman, guys, wala pong pilitan, guys, no. Kung gusto niyo lang naman. Okay. So, tawag dito. Yeah. So, share ko lang, guys, no. This coming Sunday para sa mga aking kapwa K-drama fans. Meron pong OPA na dumating kanina sa Pilipinas. Yes. Alright, naglanding na po, dumating na po si Ji Chang-wook. Unfortunately guys, no, wala akong naihanda any song coming from any of his K-dramas. Alright. Pero kung share ko lang, ako po ay manonood on Sunday. Yun nga lang, Gen Ad lang po ako, guys, no. Wala po tayong budget. Yeah, pero kung may sa mga viewers natin, kung may ibang pupunta on Sunday, sana mag-meet tayo, pakilala kayo. Yes. Nandun po ako. Oo, pag nagkita tayo, mag-hi kayo sa akin. Hi, napanood ko po kayo. Enjoy the show. Yan. So excited na ako makita si Ji Chang-wook. Yes. 2 days na lang. Dalawang tulog na lang. Alright. So for my next song. Next song tayo. So for my next song, this is coming from actually OST rin siya ng K-drama. It's a relatively new K-drama entitled Our Blues. Ang bida po dyan, sino nga ba yun? Alo, yung sino yung bida doon? Si ano, si Shin, ang dami nila doon. Pero kasama doon sa cast si Lee Byung-hun tsaka si Shin Min-ah. Na bumida rin sa Hometown Cha-Cha-Cha. And this OST ay kinanta po ni Jimin of BTS as well as Sungwon. I just forgot from which. Sorry guys. Saang group nga ba si Sungwon? Mag-comment naman kayo, hindi ko maalala. 17 ba si Sungwon? O basta 'yon, kasama niya ang kumanta ng OST si Jimin of BTS. So I hope you enjoy this one. Oo, 'di ba? Actually parang first time na kumanta ng OST si Jimin of BTS. Yes. O, 'di ba? Kamusta naman? Ang mga tinutugtog ko ngayon yung puro K-pop, K-drama, pero ako ay nagko-cosplay. Okay, just to share with you guys, no. Sa pagko-cosplay lang
Mahalagang paalala, ang Growy ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
ads daw po muna, no. 'Di ba? Sige, bago tayo mag-proceed sa ating next song, share ko lang yung pagko-cosplay kasi karamihan ng tao diyan, parang akala nila ang kino-cosplay. Usually kasi parang ang idea ng others cosplay is puro anime lang, which is understandable kasi halos siguro mga 60%, 70% na mga kino-cosplay, mga anime characters talaga. Yeah, but actually when you say cosplay, hindi lang naman puro anime 'yan, okay? Meron din siyempre may mga nagko-cosplay din ng mga Marvel, ng mga DC. Share ko lang 'no, para lang sa information ng mga viewers natin, especially those who are not really that familiar with cosplay. Para naman ako may konti tayong kaalaman. So, when you say cosplay, it's not really just, dressing up as the character. As much as possible, you also try to imitate the character you are cosplaying. Like the other week, nag-cosplay ako as Anya Forger from Spy Family. Nako, sikat na sikat yung Spy X Family ngayon. So, nung kinosplay ko si Anya Forger, sobrang ang daming tuwan-tuwa sa akin, papapicture sila, ganyan. And si Anya Forger is actually, bata siya, pero actually hindi na ako bata. Pero since bata si Anya, I had to really act like a child. Gusto niyo na sample? Sige, mag-sample ako. I will now start talking in my Anya voice. Hello, everybody! Wak, wak! Yun. Sample ng Anya Forge. Bata kasi si Anya. Cute-cute niya. Oo. Kilala niyo ba si Anya, guys, sa mga viewers natin? Actually, muntik na ako mag-Anya tonight. Yun nga lang, meron kasi nag-rent ng costume ko. Kaya hindi ako nagsuot ng Anya cosplay tonight. Yun. Yun, no. Actually, so sa cosplay actually, pwede mo rin, I mean, it's a hobby, pero minsan pwede mo rin naman mabawi yung ininvest mo sa costume. Like ako, pinapa-rent ko yung mga ibang costume ko, ganyan. Oo. And right now kasi napansin ko, parang ang sikat-sikat ng K-drama ngayon, pero wala pa masyadong nagko-cosplay. Even sa mga K-pop idols, like minsan sobrang iconic yung mga looks ng BTS, ng Blackpink, yung look ni IU, sobrang iconic, 'di ba? Ang ganda-ganda lalo tignan, yung mga members ng Twice, pero parang wala pa masyadong nagko-cosplay. So ako, tina-try ko minsan, no, nagta-try ako na mag-cosplay din ng mga K-pop idols. Like actually one of my favorite K-pop cosplay, si IU talaga. Kasi lalo na yung time na purple yung hair niya. Meron kasi akong wig na purple, as in kamukha nung wig ni IU. Tsaka si Blackpink Lisa, of course. Sarap-sarap i-cosplay. So ayun, hope sana no in the near future mas makakita pa tayo ng ng mga K-pop and K-drama cosplayers. Sa K-drama, well, kasi naman yung ibang K-drama character medyo casual lang yung suot. But there are some notable characters naman from K-drama na very iconic yung suot. Example nga is si IU sa Hotel de Luna. Oo. Sige, tignan natin kung ano pang pwede natin i-cosplay from K-drama in the near future. For now, I will now be playing my next song. I hope you like this. So this is entitled With You by BTS Jimin and Sungwon. Ayan. Okay, that was with you from the K-drama Our Blues. Oo. Okay. Yeah, kinanta po siya ni Jimin of BTS. Alright, pasensya po sa lag. Alam nyo naman guys, di ba napakabagal ng internet connection sa Pilipinas. Isa yan isa sa mga wish ko yan, no? Na sana merong magpa-wifi sa buong Pilipinas. Gusto nyo ba yon? Oo, para hindi na tayo mag-experience ng lag. How I wish. Okay, so actually, ewan ko, parang I think I'm down to my last 15 minutes. Ang bilis ng, di ba? Isang oras tayo magkasama, pero parang ang bilis, malapit na mag 1 hour. Seryoso ba tayo? So, kaya medyo bibilisan ko na guys, no? Hindi na ako masyadong, I will try to keep my chika to a minimum unless may nagpapa-shoutout pa ba dyan. Sige, mamaya mag-comment lang kayo. But for now, we'll proceed to our next song, which is another OST naman from the K-drama, Our Beloved Summer. And isa na naman pong BTS member ang kumanta ng isang OST from that. Okay, ang kumanta po nito ay si V of BTS. Si V na ang aking bias. Bias ko yun sa BTS talaga si V. Yes, so ito po ay kinanta ni V of BTS. So this is entitled Christmas Tree. Sakto, no? Malapit na po magpasko. So I hope you enjoy this, guys.
On s'est d'accord. Tu me rappelles.
Sorry, minute. Thank you po. Thank you. Yes, that was, once again, that was Christmas Tree by V of BTS. From the K-drama, Our Beloved Summer. Yes, ang cute-cute ng K-drama na yun. Panoorin nyo. Alright. So, for my next song, yes, we are down to our last, naghanda ako. We are down to our last 3 or 4 songs. Sakto, malapit na rin matapos ang oras natin. So, for my next song, nako, isa na namang mapanakit na OST coming from Goblin. But this time, I think ito yung pinaka-theme song ni Grim Reaper tsaka ni Sunny sa Goblin. May nakakilala ba sa inyo? Cost plan reveal? Sabi ko kanina, surprise. Okay, mag-reveal ba ako, surprise? Okay, actually, sige, fine. I'll share. Sige na nga. Surprise sana. O sige, fine. Anyway, kahit naman sabihin ko ngayon kung sinong character, hindi nyo pa rin, I mean, makikita nyo lang naman kapag pumunta kayo sa event or puntahan nyo yung Facebook ko. Actually, I recently just, parang kagabi lang, I actually did a cost trial of Sailor Mercury. Kakarating lang ng costume ko. Oo. Baka next week sa sa Ozine Anime Fair yun ang suotin ko. Cute ni Sailor Mercury. So yun, that's my next cost plan. Kakatapos lang niyang mabuo. Katuwa. Yun lang. Sige, so for my next song, ayan. Tapos dream cos plans. Ayun, yung next ko is Sailor Mercury. Siguro makikita ba ibang dream ko i-cosplay aside from that? Ay, na-cosplay ko na si Anya. Gusto ko rin i-cosplay from sa video games, gusto ko talaga i-cosplay si si Alisa sa Tekken. O kaya si si Chun-Li of Street Fighter. Oh, di ba? No. Gusto ko yung mga ganong character, yung mukha yung mga cute pero fierce and strong characters. Fierce and strong female characters, pero at the same time cute pa din sila. Yun si Alisa, ang cute ni Alisa. Pero actually, di ba si Alisa robot? Oo, robot si Alisa. Cute. Pero ang cute. Robot na sumasayaw. At saka I'm actually drawn natutuwa ako kay Alisa kasi yung hair niya pink. Tapos yung pinaka-dress niya is parang pink and purple. Di ba? Ang cute. Ito lang mga favorite color natin. Sobrang girly. Yes. Alright. So, for my next piece, teka lang, may guide kasi ako dito. So, for my next piece is from the K-drama Goblin once again, theme song ni Grim Reaper, tsaka ni Sunny. Sana magustuhan nyo kahit medyo mapanakit siya. Ganun. Oo. Yes. Ang title po nito ay, pwede nyo tong gawing theme song sa mga crush ninyo. The joke lang. Kasi ang title po nito ay I miss you. O, di ba? Sige nga, mamaya, i-text nyo yun sa crush nyo. I miss you. Tapos i-attach nyo yung link ng kanta. Di charot, joke lang. So, ito na. Sige nga, matapang ba kayo? Text nyo nga yung crush nyo. I miss you. Diba? Ito ba?
Multi-nutrients. Tulong para matibayin siya sa pasukan o Bear Brand araw-araw.
Nako, it's almost time na pala. It's almost 10. Okay, so I think I only have enough time for one last piece, one last song. Oo. Oo. So finale song. So before I perform my last song for tonight, thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you once again to the TNC for this opportunity to share my talent with everybody who is watching us right now. And for my last song, I dedicate this once again to everybody, lalo na sa mga BTS ARMY dyan, kasi BTS na naman po 'to. One of their latest songs. Alright, and, for everybody out there, sa lahat ng viewers natin 'no, tandaan, your moment is yet to come. Yes, kung sa ngayon, medyo hindi kaaya-aya ang mga pangyayari sa buhay mo, isipin mo na lang, siguro yung moment niyo is yet to come pa lang. Kagaya ng sinasabi ng BTS sa kanilang song. So I hope you like this last song, Here Is Yet to Come by BTS. So once again, thank you very much for tuning in, and good night, everybody. Okay, thank you so much. And good night, everybody. Have a great evening to you all. Great evening to you all. Bye.